Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the art of mixing patterns and textures to create a beautifully cohesive design in your home. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a newbie, these tips will help you add depth and personality to your space. Let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by patterns and textures. Patterns are visual designs that repeat, like stripes, florals, or geometric shapes. Textures, on the other hand, are about the feel and appearance of a surface, such as a rough jute rug or a smooth silk pillow. A great starting point is a neutral base. Think of your walls, large furniture pieces, and flooring. Keeping these elements neutral allows your patterns and textures to stand out without overwhelming the space. Next, choose a cohesive color palette. Select 2 to 3 main colors and a couple of accent colors. This palette will guide your pattern and texture choices, ensuring everything works together harmoniously. Now, let's talk patterns. Start with one large-scale pattern, like a bold floral or geometric print. Complement this with medium and small-scale patterns in similar colors. For example, pair a large floral rug with medium-sized striped pillows and a small dotted throw. Textures add depth and interest to a room. Mix different textures, like a knitted throw, a velvet cushion, and a leather armchair. Combining these elements creates a layered, inviting look. Balance is key. If you have a busy pattern, balance it with solid, textured pieces. For instance, if your sofa has a vibrant pattern, pair it with solid, textured cushions and a neutral throw. This keeps the room from feeling chaotic. Here are some quick tips. Use patterns of different scales to create interest. Stick to odd numbers when grouping items. It's visually appealing. Don't be afraid to mix different styles. Eclectic can be chic. Once you've combined your patterns and textures, step back and take a look. Adjust anything that feels off balance. Remember, design is all about creating a space that feels right to you. Thanks for joining us on our top tips for mixing patterns and textures in your home. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. See you next time.